Hey traders, Akil here of TradingPower.com. Wanted to give you a short video just recapping one of the trades we took in today's live room session. Now, want to warn you, this isn't any super trade or anything like that. We did make a good amount of profit on it, around 65 pips, which is pretty good for the range bars. But I want to bring it up because, well, it's a different technique than many of you guys are used to. A lot of traders I work with come in just strictly looking for advanced patterns. They're in the market looking for Gartleys, looking for bats, looking for butterflies, ciphers, what have you. And well, January has just been a really rough month for those type of patterns. Not so much on the day trading side of things, but especially on the swing trading side of things. These patterns just haven't been completing the way we're used to. Aside from a good back-to-back Gartley pattern on Aussie dollar, and I think we had a bat or a Gartley earlier in the month on New Zealand. We've been stopped out of the majority of the patterns majority of patterns that I've taken. I've been stopped out on. And well, I was talking to Jason the other day, and we brought up a good topic that, well, we believe that too many traders, just don't know the basics about reading a chart and being able to analyze price action and structure. Fortunately for those that do, when we get in situations like this, they can adapt their style to go with how the market's moving. But again, if you don't know how to really read a chart, you don't know really how to understand what structure levels are important, what price action moving this way means, well, then you're kind of stuck in the either pattern or bust mode. So again, want to give you an example of a trend continuation trade that we took in a live room, and this is a strategy that I like to implement well when the market is just trending. A lot of advanced patterns, they form when the market's in consolidation, and but when the market's just going like this, up, down, kind of like what we're doing for the last month. Well, we just don't see those patterns, and instead of completing, they get busted right out. Now, on the other hand, trend continuation traders, if you understand how price action moves, well, you have the opportunity to buy right here, buy right here, buy right here, and so far, buy on the retracements. And that's exactly what we did today on pound dollar. You can see the market was shooting up all morning. And what got our attention was when we broke this significant structure level right here. And we did some higher time frame analysis, and we did our homework on this pair. But we knew that once price action broke this level, if we were able to get a valid retest, we'd be geared up to take a long entry. Now, I didn't take it on the first retest, mainly because even though it's a structure-based trade, I still like to have some Fibonacci's there to get some support. But on the second retest, as you can see, we came right back down into a 382. Now we had some harmonics and some other fibs in there as well, which allowed us to get a good entry. But basically, as you can see, the market shot up, broke, closed above structure, came back to retest it. And what we did was, even though this is a trend continuation type trade, we still used a counter trend technique to enter. You can see here a nice double bottom entry. And then, of course, we took it up for profit 1 at a retest of our structure highs here, and profit 2s at a 1618 extension. But the key is, if you look around on these charts, you'll see a lot of the markets, a lot of the pairs doing the same type of action. And it doesn't mean that there aren't any trading opportunities out there. You just have to adapt your style a little bit. So if you're out there, of course, you need to have this in your plan. You need to have this back tested. You need to be proficient at being able to analyze it and execute the trades. But if you're a trader that has all that down, well, simply wait for those breakouts like what we've been getting, and on the retest, see if there's a reason for you to hop on the trend and take it to the next level. And well, we've been able to take advantage of this in the live room all month, and I don't have the stats in front of me right now, but one of the main reasons that we're up as much as we are for the month is because we've been able to take advantage of a few good opportunities like this, and that helps get rid of the some of the patterns that have been busted out. So I feel like I'm rambling on now, so I'm gonna just quit while I'm ahead. But I will see you guys this weekend with the live room review. I was feeling under the weather last week, that's why you didn't get one. But I'll be back this week. I'll be back with a month wrap up of our live room results. And until then, good luck, traders. Take care.